Try lang sa araw, dinumugdog ng tao.
Ang in-and-out dito, walang franchise.
Wala nga, sarili nila. Pumunta yung may-ari. Akala nila, pero mali. Hindi nila sa araw. Tinry lang. Kasi dinumugdog ng sa kanila. Sa Cavite, sa Cavite. Oo. Kung ano yan dito, sorry sa akin eh.
Holding close to my dreams, thinking about all the things that we've said, and coming apart at the seams. We tried to talk it over, but the words come out too round. But here in my heart, I give you the best of my love. Beautiful faces without empty places, won't get to wait freely, wasting our time of chit talk and wine, representing to give. The same old crowd looks like a cold outline.
May kalamin siya yung juice.
Iinom ko eh.
Nakakatulong din. May katabi akong tubig sa tabi.
I'll give you the best of my love.
Bitch ko na nagagalit eh. Eh kasi gigising siya ng maga. Wala akong gagawa.
You get the best of my love.
Lumilipat eh.
Oh, sweet darling, you get the best of my love. I'm going back in time, it's a sweet dream. It was a quiet night, and I will be alright if I could go on sleeping. But every morning I wake up and worry, what's gonna happen today? You see it your way, I see it mine, but we both see it slipping away. You know we always had it set early. I guess it wasn't enough. But here in my heart, I give you the best of my love. Oh, 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 sweet darling, you got the best of my love. Oh, oh, sweet darling, you get the best of my love. Oh, sweet darling, you get the best of my love. Oh, sweet darling, you get the best of my love. Oh, sweet darling, every night and day, you get the best of my love. Oh, sweet darling, you get the best of my love.
Ano lang ako yun? Pang dalawang bote lang.
Ano mo baba dosis mo?
Ang alam mo na yan, ha? Dalawang bote lang ako.
Kanina lang tayo nagkakilala, pare ko.
Dalawa, puta na nasa
Ano ang pangalan mo?
Labing dalawa.
Pangalan.